Because you're under arrest. Step out. Step out of the vehicle. Step out.
No.
We're beyond that.
Do you want me
Step
to...
out.
At what exact second does a standard traffic infraction legally transform into a mandatory arrest scenario? What are the definitive legal consequences of treating a signature on a citation as an admission of guilt rather than a promise to appear?
All right, Miss Hamill. Since you informed me that you've had that for 6 months.
Oh, yeah, and we're just looking for a bed because we can't find a short bed.
The suspect explicitly admits to operating the vehicle with a severely fractured, non-functional taillight for approximately 6 months. From a tactical standpoint, this admission instantly establishes probable cause for a defective equipment violation, removing any baseline argument for an unjust stop. The suspect explicitly states, "I don't want to sign it," mistakenly believing that signing constitutes a direct admission of guilt or agreement with the fine. The officer maintains a steady tone but prepares to pivot from an administrative encounter to a criminal arrest loop.
Because you're under arrest. Step out. Step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not.
Step out. I'm giving you a lawful order. Step out.
The officer delivers a clear lawful order. Step out of the vehicle, you're under arrest. Legally, a refusal to sign a citation in this jurisdiction revokes the option of a citation in lieu of arrest, requiring the officer to take physical custody of the individual.
Step out.
No, I'm not.
305, 303. Do not take off.
Shut up and give me that and I'll sign it.
Step out.
No.
Defying multiple direct orders to exit, the suspect rolls up her window and shifts the vehicle into gear. The officer attempts to open the driver's side door, but the suspect presses the accelerator, escalating a misdemeanor refusal into a high-risk felony flight scenario. While awaiting emergency medical services for prong removal, the suspect attempts to justify her resistance by citing her background. The officer correctly counters, establishing that her total failure to comply with basic lawful orders was the direct and sole catalyst for the escalation of force. Following the incident in Cashin, Oklahoma, 65-year-old Sandra Jones was formally processed into the county jail. While the initial infraction was merely an $80 equipment fine, her subsequent actions led to severe criminal counts. She was officially charged with felony eluding and assault and battery on a police officer due to her physical resistance during the final extraction. Her defense heavily contested the severity of the force used given her age, but the court sustained that the officer acted within legal guidelines regarding a fleeing motorist who actively resisted physical custody. The body cam footage lays out the timeline perfectly, but now you sit on the viewer jury. Did this officer escalate the situation too quickly over a simple equipment fine, or did the driver's immediate flight and physical resistance leave him with absolutely no other operational choice? Drop your analytical verdict in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. In our upcoming breakdown, turn on notifications and we will see you on the next case.